work. You put this part, this must be flat on the teeth in the back here, okay? And you go down slowly, and that tells you the angle you have. Okay, come closer. Okay. That angle is the perfect angle.
This angle right here.
Yeah, that's right. That's the perfect angle. If you go too low, you will touch the tree with the heel instead the sharp parts. And if you go too high, you'll be too aggressive. So for sure, better to be high than low. But that's the perfect point, okay? We tolerate 1/16 like this, okay? The way I sharpen, when I start the sharpener, I always work up and down, okay? When the sharpener is turning, I touch the teeth. And where I touch it, it makes scratch. Where it makes scratch, it tells me where I am. So if I make scratch just on top, so that means I'm too high like this. Go lower, slowly. Don't go one shot big, because if you come too low, you broke the front. And when you're perfect flat, all you have to do, you go up and down, that's it. Normally, if you sharpen 2 times a day, if you refresh it 2 times a day, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's enough. It's enough. Yeah, too high. Go. See, now your teeth are worn out, so I have to give more than 4 shots. I never go higher than 8 shots because it will start to burn the teeth. See, your teeth is flat like this, and it's flat like this. Okay? So check your angle. Your angle is good. Start sharpener. Touch it.